Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Giftinabox. Here it is. This is a makeup kit for girls. 52 pieces. It's a real kit that has a princess crown. There is small parts, not for children under 3. It's a real makeup kit. This is washable makeup for girls. My mom is gonna do my makeup today. Let's go! Now we're gonna open it, guys. Look, guys. But it has to be made. Here it is.
Hey guys, Skylar's mom here. Just giving you guys a couple of tips. This is a real kids makeup kit for your little princess. It's gifted by Giftinabox. It is a beauty makeup set with almost all needed for makeup, including 1 mirror, 14 gorgeous colorful eyeshadows, 8 bright blushes, 6 smooth and glittery lip glosses, 6 varied and colorful lipsticks, and 1 lip pen, 2 solid color nail polishes, 1 powder puff, and 2 eyeshadow pencils. It is material, safety, and washable. Washable makeup kit for girls is made of safe and high quality materials, safety tested for children. It's mild and non-irritating. It's easy to wash off with soap and water, and girls can spend beautiful princess time safely. Unique look and easy to carry. It's all-in-one beauty makeup set designed with unique princess crown look, moderate size for easy carrying. It makes your little girls become an beauty princess anytime and everywhere. It saves mom the expensive cosmetics because has your girl just asked for her own little makeup kit? Satisfy your kids' curiosity every time they play. They love to play with their makeup. It will cultivate and improve children's creativity, imagination, and aesthetic ability and learning ability while enjoying the fun. It makes a perfect gift. From dress up to parties and pretend makeup activities, your little princesses will be thrilled with this toy for girls. They can have their own makeup to meet graceful princess dreams. Nothing makes for a better day than take hours, play, pretend makeup of imaginative fun and creativity with your little girl. Explore the beautiful, endless possibilities with your little girls, meanwhile developing creativity and imaginations. There are a couple precautions that are listed. 1, for external use only. 2, don't use on sunburns or scratched skin. Number 3, patch test required when the first use of this product, and stop using if the skin is sensitive. Number 4, cover the product and store in a cool place when not in use. Number 5, please use under parental supervision and avoid swallowing if your child is under 5 years old. And number 6, if the product is damaged and leaked, do not use it. It's the best gift for your kids. Your glamorous girl will be thrilled to have their own little makeup set just like this. No matter if it's a costume party, birthday party, or another special occasion, sometimes a little girl just wants to have a little glitter. Our washable kits meet kids' needs and endless imagination. It's a great gift for your beauty princess. Order yours today. The link will be down in the description box down below.
is done with my makeup and look. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this kit, it comes with a crown. You can get it in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!